If you find that your Nintendo Switch has locked up, frozen, or will not power off, you might be able to fix the problem by simply restarting the console. To power down your Switch, you need to locate the power button and then press and hold it down for at least 20 seconds. Then once the screen has gone blank, Nintendo recommends that we remove any game or microSD express cards that have been installed into the console in order to ensure that neither of these items are causing the problem. We can now try and power on our Nintendo Switch and wait for it to restart. If we find the console restarts without issue, we can then reinsert the microSD and game card to see if the problem has resolved. However, if you still experience issues that are not related to the microSD or a game card, then it might be worth trying to reinitialize your Switch, which basically attempts to perform a clean install of the console system software without deleting your profile, game, or saved data.